In this video, we are going to know about robot.txt file. So what is actually robot.txt file? So robot.txt file is a command which instruct to the search engine bots which page to crawl or which page to index or which page not to index, right? So here we can see this is the actually the command like user agent name and start, and after that one whatever the page you don't want to crawl by the search engine box, so definitely the page you will be the page name will be typing over there in that command. So how does it work like? So it works like a watchman of your website, right? So it like the front door to your house. And this command, this robots.txt command, actually it can block search engine robots, right? So what to see and what not to see. So this robots.txt file you can also use for hiding the duplicate content. For example, you have a website, right? And you want to you have duplicate content over there, and you want to hide from the search engine bots, but you want to show that people should come and they should read that content. So again, there with that page you can use this robot.txt command, and definitely when search engine bot will be coming over there, definitely they are not going to follow or they are not going to index that particular page, right? But what's the actual drawback for this one? If you are putting that robot command over there, so that page it won't be indexed, and it will impact on your link juice or ranking signal as well, right? So simply we can create this robot.txt file command through the help of some tools, or if you have any idea about the command, so definitely you can also write your command in the notepad as well. So that will be seen in our next video to how to create robot.txt and how to submit in the website as well.